Despite some hefty fines, the unforgettable 2021 GameStop debacle, and the fact that it doesn't offer, as part of its research tools, access to basic financials like income statements and balance sheets. I mean, like, really? No income statements?
You know, we're living in a society. We're supposed to act in a civilized way.
I still really like this broker. Let's talk about it in a review. Hey, I'm Matt, investments editor at Finder. Before I review Robinhood, if you wouldn't mind shooting an arrow right into that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Or you can take this video and share it with your friends who are poor, like Robinhood would. They don't have to be poor. They can be of any income level. In all seriousness, Robinhood has been on a crusade in recent years. Its net deposits grew to an all-time high in 2024, as did Gold subscribers, Robinhood's premium subscription. The company ended 2024 with $193 billion in assets under custody, up 88% year over year. That's some good growth for a broker that doesn't offer access to balance sheets or income statements for stocks. Just saying. Robinhood is one of the fastest growing brokers in the US, but why? I think a few reasons. Cue the review. First, Robinhood is widely recognized for its user-friendly interface, making it incredibly accessible for beginners and, well, just plain old fun. Aside from commission-free trading, which we will get into in a bit, user accessibility has been a cornerstone of Robinhood's appeal from the beginning, as it's lowered the financial barrier to entry, particularly for younger and first-time investors. And no, I'm not talking about the gamification tactics that landed Robinhood in hot water with regulators. Whoops. Trade on the Robinhood app and then on a big broker's app, any traditional broker. You can't tell me that Robinhood doesn't offer a better trading experience. Go ahead, do it. I'll wait. Right here. But this, of course, is on purpose. Robinhood is a mobile-first trading and investing platform, and it's always prioritized usability, even with the more advanced products that it's released along the way. It was designed with beginners in mind, and its sleek platform makes investing feel like a breeze. Fast forward, and it's maintained its beginner-friendly UI while integrating advanced tools and assets for active traders. Now, Robinhood has come a long way from its limited stock and ETF offering when it first launched. Now you'll also find equity options, index options, futures, crypto, and most recently, event contracts, which let you essentially bet on the outcomes of specific events like political elections, inflation readouts, and sporting events. Available investment options are still limited, especially compared to bigger traditional brokers, so you won't find things like bonds, mutual funds, precious metals, or Forex, but on the assets that are available, you probably won't find better pricing. Aside from its user-friendly design, Robinhood is also known for its competitive fee structure. Its big draw is commission-free stocks and ETFs, and for options traders, no commissions or per contract fees on equity options. Robinhood charges no commissions to trade crypto, and at 0.60%, its crypto spread is also among the most competitive, as is its commissions for futures contracts at 75 cents per contract for non-gold customers and 50 cents per contract for gold customers. To compare, Charles Schwab charges 65 cents per options contract and $2.25 per futures contract.
What are these signs that cure cancer?
Meanwhile, Fidelity, Webull, and eToro charge 1% to buy or sell crypto. Even Robinhood's back-end miscellaneous account fees are lower than most of the competition. It charges a standard $100 to transfer your account out of Robinhood and $25 for an outgoing wire, but it charges no annual or account maintenance fees and no inactivity fees. So there's no fee to open an account, whether it's an individual or joint brokerage account or traditional or Roth IRA. Yes, Robinhood was once primarily a beginner-focused investing platform, but in the years since its launch, Robinhood has incorporated trading tools, features, and assets that appeal to active traders and give beginners room to grow as traders and investors if they want. Robinhood launched advanced charts in 2022, and then its dedicated active trading platform, Robinhood Legend, late last year. Legend is Robinhood's browser-based desktop-style trading platform. It offers customizable layouts and up to 8 charts in a single window, plus in-chart trading, a range of technical indicators and drawing tools, and almost comprehensive asset access, so you can trade stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto in Legend, but no futures just yet. Why, I don't know. Plus, Legend is available to all Robinhood customers, not just Gold subscribers. Aside from Legend, Robinhood is available on the mobile app and its regular Robinhood.com website. On these platforms, you'll also find advanced charts, and if you upgrade to Robinhood Gold, you'll unlock level 2 market data and Morningstar research. Other research tools include analyst ratings, earnings data, and a trading trends indicator, which shows the trading activity of hedge funds, company insiders, and Robinhood customers. And then Robinhood Cortex, which is expected to release later this year, will add AI-driven real-time insights and analysis. So what else do you get as a Robinhood customer?
Please, sir, I want some more.
Well, another draw to the platform is its innovative features and products. For instance, IPO access. Robinhood is one of just a few brokers that lets customers buy into IPOs before they hit the public market. It's also one of just a few brokers that offers 24/5 market access, letting you trade stocks and ETFs from Sunday evening to Friday evening. Meanwhile, its fractional share trading lets you trade stocks and ETFs for as little as $1, so you don't need the entire share price to buy into a stock. Its premium membership, Robinhood Gold, gives you access to a 4% cash sweep APY, a 3% IRA contribution match, discounted margin rates, discounted futures commissions, bigger instant deposits, and more. And its newest product, Robinhood Strategies, offers managed portfolios with human oversight at 0.25% annually. Robinhood doesn't tick all the boxes, but it is a fast-growing, innovative broker that's getting better and better each year. But where does Robinhood fall short? Well, I mentioned that Robinhood's investment options are still kind of limited compared to some big brokers. You won't get those bonds, mutual funds, Forex, precious metals. And then Robinhood's research tools, especially for non-gold subscribers, are pretty lightweight. No analyst price targets, no income statements or balance sheets, no earnings per share data beyond a basic chart that shows estimated and actual results. It's adding more advanced tools, but compared to some really cool analysis tools and indicators that you'll find on platforms like Webull and Moomoo, Robinhood just still feels a bit basic. Robinhood's not perfect, and it's no stranger to regulators. It's paid millions of dollars in fines over the years, and this doesn't excuse them, but what broker hasn't? Some people also still hold a grudge that Robinhood halted trading during the 2021 GameStop short squeeze. Mind you, it wasn't the only broker to halt trading, but as pointed out in this scholarly article, most of the affected retail traders were Robinhood customers. Is Robinhood right for everyone? No, it's not. No broker is. But if you're a beginner or active trader after industry low commissions and a stellar trading experience, I think you'll fancy it. Yes, I said fancy it. Well, that wraps up this review, and I sincerely hope that it helped you understand just a little bit more about Robinhood. And if it did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more investing content, and check out my other videos on market news and broker comparisons. And if you want some free stocks, there's a link below.